I did. Sorry. Someone's telling me off because my fuel gauge is half empty. And he's like, you could have left the yard with more fuel. I was like, nah, that's all right. He's like, no, it's not. Always leave the yard full. I was like, no. I'm right by the yard. Oh, that's my revs. That is. That's what that is, Marty. Chat seems to have been broken on here, so I'll just get rid of that. So yeah, that's reading what the PTO spinning is doing. That's what that is. Not much left of this field to do. We've got like 4. Oh, the rake's here.